Palladium against US dollar. This week started with this candle. It was a bearish candle that has reached the first support level 1030.58. The price bounced from that support level, reaching this area of resistance and then continued to fall down. On a Friday, it has formed a bearish breakout below this 1030.58 as support level. Weekly time frame shows us a continuation of this bearish candle, a bearish pin bar, which was formed in the previous week. If you watched the previous week analysis, I have mentioned that I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down even more. So we can see that the week has closed below 1030.58 support level, which is also a great signal for the sellers. Month has closed, and we can see that the month has closed as a bullish candle with a large wick on the upper side. What is very important is that I need to increase this one. We can see that the price could not close above this very important level, which is around 1011. It is very important with this level, and the price could not close above, which is a very important information for the bulls and the sellers. For the sellers, means that they have managed to fight for the territory above this one, and the bulls could not make a bullish breakout. What this means further on, we will see on the weekly and especially on the daily. Weekly time frame shows me continuation of the bearish sentiment, which means 977.33 is the next support level where I'm seeing the price next week. The daily is also 977.33 after this bearish breakout has formed, so I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down, reaching this support level. So this is the week for the next, this is the goal for the next week, but also I would like to share with you the details how I managed to create this support and the resistance levels, and also how you can also put them on the chart, what is very important in trading. So this strategy I'm sharing with you with a free PDF. The PDF will be sent over email, so you can check the link below in the description. If you would like to get that, feel free to check and get it in your email box quickly. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.